and to go down.
Hello everyone, today we are going to play Build a Boat for Treasure, and today we are going to do the Find Me one.
Look, here's the first cube.
Yeah, so Aaron, my friend, is going to get the first cube, while...
It says find me.
Yeah, it says Find Me, so if that's how you know that's the right sticky block.
Now here's the second cube.
Yeah, it's just like above
For
it.
this, we're gonna need a jetpack.
Jetpack, or you could do the... And if you don't have the jetpack, you can do the flying contraption.
Easy.
Which is here. Then you want to put a lever. Actually, if you watched my previous videos, this tactic is really good for doing the quest.
I know. It's like the best tactic for quests. Especially as it has no flying parts. So when it says no flying parts allowed.
Yeah. Okay, so one, normally two. So then we'll launch it.
Hey.
Last one. Okay, so you want to get that one. Aaron, get it for me.
You create mine.
Then the last one is about here.
Around.
Oh no, wait, oh gosh. Ariana, wait.
Now.
Oh, it's Aaron. Wait, Aaron, I think you need to get one more.
Yeah, that was 5, not 4.
Yeah.
So, die.
Guys,
I need to build a flying machine to check all the flies. Me too. I don't know how to fly it. Let us all build a flying machine and then we'll do it. Then we can search through the plots. And that's where the last one should be. That's where the last one should be.
Yeah, the last one should be there.
Wait, do we have to restart the quest?
No, nice one.
It's still there. Okay.
Where is it? Everyone, are you ready?
No. We need to save this flying machine, so whenever we want it. But just the first part, the slime block, we have to place ourselves. Okay, now I'm just gonna save this.
And I can't fly, I'm stuck. Help me, please. Help me learn how to fly.
You need to launch the boat to fly.
Should I launch?
Do we know where it is? Wait, Aaron, do you know where it is?
Don't launch it.
Aaron, do you know where it is?
What?
I can put it in the wrong spot.
I'll save. And then I can place the slime ball up.
How much money do you
Oh no, it's in the wrong position.
Someone launch.
No.
Should I?
The viewers are so bored, bro.
Should I?
Yeah, wait 1 sec.
We
just need a place.
This part.
Go.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Do you know where it is, Aaron?
No.
And how do you go down now?
So it's not that.
I'm going up.
Just jump to go.
I am. I'm trying to go down.
Yeah, this thing's uncontrollable. Oh, this is insane. Where's the slime block?
Okay, I'm
I
going
see it. It's down here. Wait, no, that might be it.
Whose plot?
Oh yeah, it's on the... We need jetpacks. So the flying machine works, but it's quite like unsteady. So everyone reset, you can't build it.
No, I can go get the last one.
Okay, which is supposed to
Can
be
I buy the jetpack?
up your flag, so in our scenario it's a blue... No, Aaron's going to get it, he says.
No, shut
It's
up.
at the top of the flag, Aaron.
I'm gonna come in.
Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, are you gonna do it? Is it too out of control?
Yeah, reset. I reset.
Okay, now I
Jetpacks are better for this.
Sure.
For precise flying, it's jetpacks. For trying to get to the end most of the time. It's flying machine.
Let's go. So now I'm just gonna delete my jetpack because I don't want it. Because the next one is going to be a bit fast. So you wanna do.
We need to build a
This is
flying-
when you actually use a flying machine now. Like actually.
Yeah, look. I just saved the first part, so then I
Two
can
people
just
are using the flying machine with ice, I think.
Ice you can also use if you do, but sand is the best because it's the lightest.
It's the lightest.
No. You know why?
Why?
Bro, you fart 24/7. That's why.
The viewers didn't need to know that, but okay.
You're the reason. You're gonna. That's called the atomic bomb, bro.
Ariana, did you build a flying machine?
Okay.
Where even are you?
Just launch it, Aaron. Send it, Aaron.
I'm just trying to the end right now.
So the last one should be around here. Wait, let me tell the viewers where it is.
Because I reset.
So it should be out. Ow. Wait, it's not down here. Where is it, bro? Aaron, do you know where it is?
Bro, I haven't.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go in the secret portal, please. Yeah, this is another life hack, how to play this game.
I launched the boat.
Well, I can't fly. Look.
Ouch, ouch.
Oh, it's dead.
They're sending me in.
Launch.
Stop!
Mine's
Ah!
What are
Okay.
you doing?
Nothing.
I need somebody to launch.
I'm already
I'm stuck in my block.
Oh, where's the block?
Bro, in the water. Someone else already collected this block.
Where's the last block?
Ah!
Yeah, well, I'm dead. I nearly guessed the code. But that's not in this video, so. Anyway, let's, I think we might have found all of them, because we already all done it. So we probably already did it. Oh yeah, because, no, wait, did we do it? Yeah, we already done it.
Yeah, I know.
What?
Oh, so that's it. Oh. Thank you guys. See ya in the next episode. Because look, the orange line isn't there. So that's how you know. Yeah, goodbye.
Yeah.